To the Minister of Northern Development and Mines, can the Minister tell us why is the McGuinty government awarding Platinex Incorporated new mining rights to 72,000 acres of land in Northern Ontario, while First Nation leaders from Kitchener-May-Coosabe and Innuwig, who oppose mining exploration in their traditional lands, are sent to jail?
Shame.
Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I'm not in a position to comment on that in the sense that I'm not aware of any particular grant that's been permits been given to any other land that's out there. And in terms of the situation, obviously, with Platinex and KI, we very much regret the situation that has resulted as a result of the legal challenges, and I'm not able to comment on those either. But in terms of your specific question, I'm not aware of any such arrangement being made.
Supplementary.
Well,
Standing Order 23G says the Speaker shall call a member to order if they refer to a matter that is subject to a proceeding that is pending in a court or before a judge or for judicial determination. I believe the member has just done this. His House Leader earlier today referred to Standing Order 23K. I ask for your ruling in this matter.
A couple points on the point of order. First, that I'm not aware that it is an issue that is, as Speaker, that it is an issue that is before the courts right now. As well, and I recognize and I thank the Finance Minister for his comment. I also recognize that the leader of the third party in his questioning, I'm sure is going to be conscious that it's not going to in any way interfere in any proceedings.
Speaker, I'm simply referring to historical fact now. Historical fact is the leadership of Kitchener-May-Coosabe and Innuwig, First Nation, are in jail. They're in jail because they stood up for their constitutional rights to be consulted and accommodated before mining rights were handed out to a mining exploration company. On the other hand, Platinex, the company which sued the First Nation for $10 billion and almost bankrupted the First Nation, is getting an additional 72,000 acres of mining rights from the McGuinty government. Mining that would involve Webequie First Nation, Martin Falls First Nation, Fort Hope First Nation, Niskangada First Nation, Gull Bay First Nation. Simply asking, is this the message the McGuinty government wants to send to First Nations? If you stand up and ask for your constitutional rights to be recognized, you can go to jail while the mining company gets mining rights half the size of the City of Toronto.
Minister.
Mr. Speaker, there is no confirmation of these particular permits or claims. That I have no confirmation of that. But regardless, we continue to work in terms of respecting our duty to consult. That's been an important factor for us. It was acknowledged that indeed we met our duty to consult. We absolutely feel terrible about the situation in terms of KI and what has resulted in terms of the court case, but again, can't discuss that in any detail. And we continue to work. There's some great stories out there, Mr. Speaker, in terms of First Nations working very, very cooperatively and positively with mining companies. Memorandums of understandings have been signed. Impact benefit agreements have been signed with a number of First Nations. We have a great example in terms of the Victor Diamond mine in Attawapiskat, again, in terms of a process whereby there are very positive impacts for First Nation communities. So certainly, I don't think there needs to be certainly the constant attempts to be very negative about something that can be very positive for many, many First Nations in the North.